Hello, I'm Jens. This video I gonna show you how to register a new account and create an identity in Peak. It's very easy, so let's get started. And the first step is going to www.peakaccount.com. And if you never had an account in Peak before, you can click all on bottom and go to the next step. After that, you will see this window pop up and click register now and enter your email and your passwords, and then you can click next. And the next step is to fill your personal information so we can get to know you more. And then don't forget to click I accept service license agreement and privacy policy. And you will see the information about privacy policy. So click accept. And then you can click register for the next step. And if you click create new entity bottom, this small window will pop up. This step to fill your 13-digit number, which can be your ID number or your legal entity number. And also you can choose that this entity is head office or is branch. And if you do not have this information yet for this number, do not worry. You can skip the process and going to the next part. And also I have small tip for you guys. If you just create this entity for free trial only, you can enter 13-digit tag ID of your ID card. So you will know that this number will show in which part of the document created in Peak. And then you can click next for the next step. And this page is about entity name. And if the first time you put 13-digit tag ID of your number, our system will do for legal type and the name of your entity. And it's very important, don't forget whether the name is already correct. If it's not correct, you can modify it. And please identify your entity name and the type of business according to the business registration. And for the number of your employee, please choose the number that's close to the real number of your employee. And for the type of business and the number of employee, they don't have any effect on the accounting entry, but this information will help us to develop the Peak program for your future use. Then, for the box of VAT register, please identify it correctly because this information will affect the accounting entry and also affect the document of input and output VAT. And then you can click next. And this page is about register address. And if the first time you already put 13-digit tag ID, our system will do for this information. And importantly, don't forget to check the correctness of them. And then you can click next. And then you will see our Facebook link. You can click like, share, and follow us so you won't miss any update and new of us. And after you click OK button, your organization is ready in Peak. So now you can use all functions in Peak for 30-day free trial. And last but not least, if you want to know more about Peak and want to know how to use Peak efficiently, so please subscribe our channel and stay tuned for our next video.